In today's video, I will walk you through how to manage notification settings on Bitfinex. Managing your notification settings on Bitfinex is a simple way to stay informed about important account activity while controlling which alerts you receive. Whether you want updates about security events, account activity, or other platform notifications, you can customize these preferences to better match your needs. To get started, open your Bitfinex account settings and navigate to the Notifications section. This is where you can view and manage the different types of notifications available for your account. Once you're on the Notifications page, you'll see a list of notification categories. Depending on the available options, these may include security alerts, account updates, trading-related notifications, system announcements, or other important account events. Take a moment to review each notification category. If there are alerts you'd like to receive, make sure they're enabled. If there are notifications that aren't important to you, you can disable them to reduce unnecessary messages. Make sure you enable email and subscriptions notification, so you will receive a confirmation email once a withdrawal is complete, your deposit arrives, and a deposit complete. And you'll also get notifications if anything happened wrong while doing these transactions. Keeping your notifications organized makes it easier to focus on the information that's most relevant to you. And that's how to manage notification settings on Bitfinex.